Yellowstone volcano struck by earthquake as swarm of hundreds rumble. Yellowstone has been hit by another swarm of earthquakes in the show of the national park's volcano, prompting fears the potentially catastrophic volcano could erupt. Yellowstone has been struck by some 200 earthquakes in just 2 weeks, as experts say that the supervolcano is under strain. The tremors took place between February 8 and February 15 near the huge caldera, but tension beneath the surface continues to rumble on. The latest came today at 5:24 a.m. local time, when a small 2.7 tremor struck the region. There have been 4 quakes of such magnitude in as many days. A spate of small tremors around a volcano usually signifies that magma and gases beneath the surface are beginning to navigate their exit. Portland State University geology professor emeritus Scott Burns has said, "If you get swarms under a working volcano, the working hypothesis is that magma is moving up underneath there." But Michael Poland, scientist in charge of the USGS Yellowstone Volcano Observatory in Vancouver, Washington, played down fears of a big one. He told Live Science, "This is what Yellowstone does. This is Yellowstone being Yellowstone. If the Wyoming volcano were to erupt, an estimated 87,000 people would be killed immediately and 2/3 of the USA would immediately be made uninhabitable. The large spew of ash into the atmosphere would block out sunlight and directly affect life beneath it, creating a nuclear winter. The massive eruption could be a staggering 6,000 times as powerful as the one from Washington's Mount St. Helens in 1980, which killed 57 people and deposited ash in 11 different states and 5 Canadian provinces. If the volcano explodes, a climate shift would ensue, as the volcano would spew massive amounts of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, which can form a sulfur aerosol that reflects and absorbs sunlight. In a recent article for the Billings Gazette, David Mensin and Glenn Mattielli, geodesists with UNAVGO, a non-profit university-governed consortium, said Yellowstone is under strain. The duo say they are using Global Positioning System, borehole tiltmeters, and borehole strain meters to measure minute changes in deformation at Yellowstone. They say the strain signal is larger than would be expected if the crust under Yellowstone were completely solid.